You ever notice how Christmas doesn't start with music or lights? It starts with the kitchen getting loud, ovens fighting for space, people asking when food will be ready, and one wrong move turns the whole day into stress. That's why Christmas isn't about cooking harder. It's about letting electronics do the heavy lifting. Today we're breaking down the kitchen gadgets that actually matter during Christmas, the ones that save time, save food, and save your sanity before the guests even sit down. Let's jump straight into the air fryer, because this thing is basically the cheat code nobody shuts up about. An air fryer works by blasting hot air around your food at insane speed, giving you that crispy, fried texture without dumping everything in oil. During Christmas, it becomes your side dish machine. Wings, potatoes, snacks, reheating leftovers without ruining them. The biggest win is speed and crispiness, but the L is capacity, because smaller models struggle when you're feeding more than 2 people. When choosing one, size, wattage, and basket quality matter way more than flashy presets. Reviews love how fast and easy it is, while bad reviews almost always complain about small baskets or peeling coatings. Flowing straight from that, the Instant Pot Multi-Cooker is the silent Christmas MVP. This thing uses pressure and steam to cook food faster than traditional methods while locking in moisture. We're talking roasts, soups, rice, even desserts, all without babysitting the stove. The merit is versatility and time savings, but the demerit is the learning curve for first-time users. When choosing one, size, safety locks, and pressure options are key. Reviews are insanely positive for convenience, while bad reviews usually come from people intimidated by buttons or rushing the learning process. Now let's talk about the gadget that saves Christmas meat from embarrassment, the digital instant read meat thermometer. It uses a metal probe to read the internal temperature of meat in seconds, so your turkey doesn't come out raw in the middle or dry as dust. The merit is pure accuracy. The demerit is cheap models can lag or drift. When choosing, response speed, waterproofing, and backlight are non-negotiable. Good reviews say it saved expensive cuts of meat, while bad reviews complain about calibration issues over time. Sliding into drinks, the electric kettle with temperature control quietly carries Christmas morning. It heats water fast and lets you pick exact temperatures for tea, coffee, or hot chocolate, which actually changes flavor more than people think. The upside is speed and precision. The downside is it's mostly single purpose. When choosing one, capacity, temperature presets, and auto shutoff matter. Reviews praise convenience and style, while negative ones mention noise or mineral buildup. Now here's where things get elite, the sous vide precision cooker. This gadget clips onto a pot and heats water to an exact temperature, cooking vacuum-sealed food evenly from edge to edge. No overcooking, no dryness, just flawless meat every time. The merit is unmatched precision. The demerit is longer cook times and setup. When choosing one, app reliability, temperature range, and clamp strength matter. Food nerds love it, while bad reviews usually say it feels like overkill for casual cooks. Moving into prep chaos control, the electric vegetable chopper and spiralizer exists to save your hands during Christmas cooking marathons. It uses motorized blades to chop, slice, and spiral vegetables in seconds. The upside is speed and consistency. The downside is cleanup. When choosing, blade quality and ease of cleaning matter more than raw power. Reviews love the time savings, while bad reviews roast how annoying it can be to wash. Now let's upgrade drinks again with the electric milk frother, because Christmas beverages deserve personality. This gadget spins a whisk at high speed to turn milk into foam for coffee, cocoa, and festive drinks. The merit is instant cafe vibes. The demerit is limited use outside drinks. When choosing one, motor strength and power source matter. Reviews are positive for fun and convenience, while bad reviews complain about weak motors on cheaper models. Next up, the digital kitchen scale, the backbone of Christmas baking. It uses electronic sensors to measure precise weights so cookies and cakes don't flop. The merit is accuracy. The demerit is it feels boring until you skip it and mess up a recipe. When choosing accuracy range, unit options, and platform size matter. Reviews are overwhelmingly positive, with bad reviews mostly blaming cheap buttons or drifting measurements. Now for a niche but elite gadget, the heated butter spreader or electric knife. It gently warms the blade so cold butter spreads smoothly instead of destroying bread. The upside is presentation and ease. The downside is it's very specific. When choosing, safety features and heat control matter. Reviews are split. Some call it genius, others call it unnecessary, which honestly depends on how serious your Christmas brunch is. Finally, we hit the final boss, the smart countertop oven or air fryer oven. This thing combines baking, roasting, broiling, and air frying using smart sensors, often replacing multiple appliances. The merit is versatility, the demerit is price and counter space. When choosing capacity, cooking modes, and temperature accuracy matter most. Reviews love the all-in-one convenience, while bad reviews mention size and learning curve. And if you're still here, you already know, Christmas cooking isn't about struggling, it's about letting electronics carry the load. If a gadget saves time, saves food, or saves your sanity, it earns its spot. This is All Things Electronics, where gadgets don't just exist, they prove themselves. Like, subscribe, and remember, the right tech doesn't just cook, it runs the holiday.